Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you all are well. Let's take a review of all important terms we used in chapter number 1. Our first topic is solstice. Solstice, either of the two times in the year, the summer solstice 21st June and winter solstice 21st December, when the sun reaches its highest or lowest point in the sky at noon, marked by the longest and shortest days. Equinox. It is the moment at which the center of the visible sun is directly above the equator. This occurs twice in the year, around 20th March and 23rd September. Globe. Globe is similar to our Earth. So you can say that globe is a 3D model of our Earth. Map. Dear student, if you draw any area of Earth on a flat surface, that it is called map. Astronaut, a person who is specially trained to travel into outer space. Spacecraft is a vehicle or machine designed to fly in outer space. Rotation. Earth's rotation is the rotation of the planet Earth around its own axis. The Earth rotates from the west towards east. The Earth turns counterclockwise. The Earth takes 24 hours to make one complete turn. We have day and night because the Earth rotates. It spins on its axis, which is an imaginary line passing through the north and south poles. The Earth spins slowly all the time, but we don't feel any movement because it turns smoothly and at the same speed. Revolution. It takes the Earth 365.25 days to complete its revolution around the Sun. Seasons occur because of the tilt of the Earth's rotational axis, which is about 23.4 degrees. Hemisphere. A half of sphere or Earth usually as divided into northern and southern halves by the equator, or into western or eastern halves by an imaginary line passing through the poles. Equator. Dear students, if you cut Earth into two parts with the help of a line, this line is called equator. So you see a line which is dividing Earth into two parts equally is called equator. Continent. A dry part of Earth is called land, and our land is divided into 7 continents: North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia, and Antarctica. Oceans. There are 5 main oceans, which are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean, and Southern Ocean. Okay, dear students, I hope you understood all the topics very well. Now complete your work page of first chapter on book and write all the questions on the need copy with proper title page, date, and margin lines. I'm sure you fulfill the given task. Thank you.